Hi everybody, it's Jim from the liquor department here at Tower Buckhead. We just wanted to get back with you and let you know we got an exciting new product in that we wanted to share some information with for you. It's called 5 Trail Blended American Whiskey. As opposed to being a straight bourbon whiskey, this is a blend of several different products that they've put together, and it's being produced by the Molson Coors Group out in Colorado. Very interesting. This is the brewery out there that makes all the Coors beer products, and this is their first foray into a distilled spirit offering. They put together a really interesting product. It's called blended American whiskey rather than straight bourbon whiskey, since it does have a blend of several different products in it. Just let me give you a quick overview of what's in here so you'll know. It's 45% Indiana wheated bourbon, 4 years old. It's 35% Kentucky 4-grain bourbon that's 5 years old, and that's very unusual. Most distilleries only use the principal 3 grains instead of all 4. So this is going to give it a lot of earthiness to it. It's 15% Colorado single malt whiskey, which you've probably seen some of those offerings around from several other companies out there in Colorado. It's a very good product. It is a single malt whiskey product. And to give this product a lot of character, they put in 5% of Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey that's actually 13 years old. So that's very important, and that's the ingredient that really gives this product a lot of character. As far as its appearance, as you can see here in the glass, it is brilliant honey with bronze sunlight sparkle. And as you'll notice here, if you're ever tasting whiskey, this is a proper type of glass to use. It's called a tulip-shaped glass. And if you roll whiskey around like this, you'll notice that you can see what is called the legs or the tiers that run down. And this has very slow running legs, which means this is a very high quality product. Also, if you're testing the product on the nose, you also want to know how close do you have to get before you can sense the product in smelling it. If it's a very intense product, you're going to sense it 6 inches from the rim of this glass. If it's a medium intensity product, which means it's going to be extremely smooth, you can sense it within 3 inches of the rim of the glass. And if you have to stick your nose down into the glass like this, then I'm going to tell you, you might want to move on to another product. Anyway, this particular product, you can sense right at about 3 inches, which means it's going to be a very smooth product. As far as we go with the aroma, we talked about the taste of this. It's very interesting. You can really get a lot of oak aging out of this product, and you also get roasted nuts, honey, and a lot of caramel, ginger, and chocolate malt coming through to you. Very good product. As far as the finish, it is a powerful finish. It's viscous in your mouth, meaning it has a little bit oily or coating substance to it, and it has a very smooth lingering effect to it. It's a very nice whiskey. It's very easy drinking. We have this in stock right now. It's bottled at 95 proof, and we really encourage you to come by and talk to us about it, and hopefully you can get a bottle and enjoy it. It's a very good product, and we're very proud to have it here at Buckhead. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.